Introducing Mechatron Robotics Raspberry Pi Kit, a kit carefully designed and developed for students to learn the concepts of robotics, Python, OpenCV and AI using Raspberry Pi. The kit includes various components like Raspberry Pi 4, LEDs, breadboard, various resistors, IR and many more. Get access to a free course with this kit and learn to build more than 20 projects including robots like lane detecting bot, black line follow bot, color tracking bot, car parking system, face detection using OpenCV, color recognition using OpenCV and many more. Boost your skills in Python, computer vision and embedded systems, image processing, facial recognition, object tracking and IoT using this kit. So step into the world of robotics and AI with this advanced Raspberry Pi kit.